How I build $1,500 websites in 30 minutes using AI. Most people think building a $1,500 website takes days or weeks. But I'm going to show you how I build high-converting websites in under 30 minutes using AI, even if you're not a designer or a developer. This isn't theory. This is the exact process I use for real clients. Section 1. What clients are actually paying for. Clients don't pay $1,500 for code. They pay for speed, clarity, a site that gets them leads or sales. That's why AI works so well. It removes the technical bottlenecks and lets you focus on outcomes. Section 2. My 30-minute website. Build framework. I follow the same framework every single time. The 5-part website formula. Clear headline. What problem you solve. Simple offer. Trust. Proof. Benefits. Credibility. Call to action. Clean mobile design. AI helps me build this fast, not sloppy. Section 3. Using ChatGPT to generate the website content. This is where most people waste hours. I use one prompt in ChatGPT. Create high-converting website copy for whichever business type you choose. Choose your target audience. Your goal is to generate leads. The tone. Keep it professional, simple, trustworthy. In seconds, I get headlines, subheadlines, service descriptions, CTAs I don't write, I edit. Section 4. Turning content into a website in minutes. Now I take that content and drop it into a builder. This could be WordPress, Webflow, 10Web, or any AI website builder. I choose a clean template, paste the copy, swap images, and adjust spacing. No custom code, no design paralysis. Section 5. Making it look like a $1,500 website. Here's how I make it look premium fast. Big readable headlines, lots of white space, simple color palette, one clear CTA per section. That's it. That's what clients think is high-end design. Section 6. Why this sells for $1,500. The value isn't the time. It's the result. The client gets a fast site, clear messaging, something they can actually use to grow their business. They don't care if it took 30 minutes. Section 7. Who this is perfect. For this works if you're a freelancer, a cleaning business owner, a digital agency, or someone starting from scratch. If you can copy, paste, and follow steps, you can do this. Subscribe to Digital Cash Empire today for more tutorials.